All right, guys, one last thing. Epic posted this really cool calendar for the month of May, and today we are on May 15th. Today is National, or this is Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. So maybe you have some chocolate chip cookies at home. Maybe you could bake some. Maybe you just want to look up a recipe. Maybe you want to look up how to make them, and you don't have to make them because you can look it up on YouTube. Maybe you want to draw a chocolate chip cookie. There's many ways to celebrate Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite. I don't have anything to make them at home, so I might just look up a good recipe and try it another day. There's a bunch of challenges every single day. Tomorrow, it says tell a knock knock joke to a friend. And then Sunday is National Pizza Party Day. So again, maybe you could get pizza, maybe you don't. Maybe you could look up a recipe, maybe you could look up other things that have to do with pizza online. What maybe you want to draw it, maybe you want to try and find a book on pizza. Those are all different ways to celebrate National Pizza Party Day. So those are just some of the challenges. We have take a quiz on Epic, choose 3 new books to read on Tuesday. On Wednesday, change your Epic avatar. Thursday, read a book that starts with the first letter of your name. Friday, find a dinosaur book and read it. And Saturday, finish a book that you already started. So that's just for this week. And I'll continue, or this upcoming week, I'll continue to talk more about the challenges for the next week. But I just wanted to show you in case you wanted to follow along with this epic challenge. Okay, have fun.